Hey, it's around here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook banner for your profile, either your main profile or your Facebook group profile. So this is the sizing template. Now, you'll notice that basically anything in this section that you're going to create is not going to be visible. Anything above this section is going to be visible. This is the official Canva Facebook banner template, and therefore you want to use this particular sizing because when you click on templates, you see a whole bunch of examples here of templates, which will save you a ton of time, and I'll show you how to use it in a second. So this is what an example of a banner can look like. Whether you like it, don't like it, doesn't matter. I'm just showing you an example. And you'll notice that basically this picture is what's going to be obscure, and this is kind of the division or the border between what's going to be visible on the top, what's going to be visible at the bottom. This is what it actually looks like, and you'll notice that this picture matches what I have here, and I did it that way so when you're creating the content around it, the content is not being blocked. Now, how to use this is basically you can scroll to the bottom and you see that I have a whole bunch of examples that I put here. Now, basically what you want to do, you want to highlight these two elements. You want to copy it, and then you want to scroll down to, let's say, this particular template, and you want to click on it and paste the elements. Now you'll notice now that it's here, you'll see which content is not going to be visible. So you can then move this up, for example, move this up, and maybe move this up a little bit. And now this will actually look pretty good. You can change the text and so on and figure out how you want it to look. Now, when you're done, you can of course just delete those two things and then export this particular file by clicking on download, clicking on PNG, clicking on all pages, and going to page number 6 right here, and clicking here, clicking on done, and download. Okay, so now you see there's a whole bunch of other templates. Now, where did I get these templates? I'll show you in a second. So when you scroll down, I'm just going to go here to the white, to the last one, and click on templates. Now you will see a whole bunch of them. So let's say you're looking through the templates and you're like, okay, I really like this option. Now, what you want to do is I've already copy and pasted the borders. And what I mean by borders, I mean those two things. I'm going to do it again. Copy, scroll all the way down, and then I'm going to paste it in. So now I'll see which parts needs to be brought up so it looks better. So this will need to go up. This section needs to go up. This section needs to be made this way. You get the idea, okay? You can play around with all of that. Now, click on Add Page, and you can see there's a lot of options here. I don't really want to go through every single one of them, but you see, there's just so many of them. You really don't have to recreate anything. Just look through it, find a template that you kind of like, and then figure it out from there. Notice that a lot of the photos, for example, this photo, all you gotta do is click on it, delete, and you'll see this item, which is called a frame. Then you can go to photos, either upload your own photo or find a different photo and just paste it in, and it will appear exactly inside the thing, okay? So you can upload your photos right here and put something like this and see what that looks like. You'll also notice that the frame doesn't look very good, so what you can also do is you can actually make this a bit smaller and then upload it, and it will just be a bit different, okay? So this is like little tricks on how you can do this in a good way, but you always want to test the borders by hovering here, copying, going back down, and pasting it here so you can know which parts you need to move up. So I hope that helps. Go ahead and create your banner. There's going to be a link below with the template to this exact Canva link so you can actually create your own. And remember, you can create this banner individually for every single Facebook group you are a part of. So depending on which group you want to be creating this for example, this particular one, let's just say that this is Flowdesk and this is an email marketing software. If I'm going to go here to members and click on a run, this is an email marketing community. So I want to replace this stuff with something to do with email marketing that's relevant to email marketing, okay? So that's what I suggest you do. So in this case, I would do something instead of free Facebook group. I will say something about free Facebook group, get tips and tricks, or free consultation, get one-on-one free consultation on the best email marketing software for your business. Now, because it's Flowdesk, it maybe not be a good idea. I might want to do something different. I can also do free training on email marketing. And then I will list a whole bunch of different things that I can teach with regards to email marketing. So for example, I can say list building, lead magnet, templates, sales funnel creation, things like that that are relevant to email marketing, email copywriting, email sequence templates. Okay, and that will be my hook as to why people should join my free Facebook group when they come and check me out from the Flowdesk Facebook group. So that way your targeting is much more exact. So you're actually talking to the customers that are in that group in much more, much better way, basically. So hope that helps. Go ahead and create your Facebook group banners, and I'll speak to you soon.